A river with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in, again, high BOD. If organic waste is domestic sewage, organic waste will be higher in river body, then BOD will increase, biological oxygen demand will be increased, microbes will use more oxygen, dissolved oxygen of the water body to purify water, okay, to degrade that sewage, organic waste. So oxygen will be less, dissolved oxygen will be less, so death of fish and other aquatic animals will occur. Increased production of fish due to no fish will die. If there is no oxygen, why would fish live? Drying of the river very soon? No, not very soon. It will take very long time, thousands of years. Okay. Increased production of population of aquatic food web organism. No, no, no. B answer is correct and most relevant. Okay. With an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in death of fishes. Already discussed. So